Germany has a shortage of workers, so it's turning to India for help. Summary: Germany has a big problem. It doesn't have enough workers. Many older people are retiring, and there aren't enough young Germans to replace them. Because of this, Germany is looking for workers from other countries, especially India. This started when a German trade organization got an email from an Indian job agency offering young workers. At that time, many German businesses, like butcher shops, couldn't find employees. So they decided to try hiring people from India. In 2022, 13 young Indians moved to Germany to train and work as butchers. Now, that number has grown to about 200, and more are coming. These workers also do other jobs like baking, construction, and mechanics. Germany needs about 288,000 foreign workers every year to keep its economy strong. This is because the population is aging and fewer babies are being born. On the other hand, India has many young people looking for jobs, so it can supply workers. Many Indian workers choose Germany because jobs are hard to find in India, and wages are higher in Europe. They also want better living conditions and to support their families back home. German employers say these workers are very important. Some businesses might have closed without them. Even local governments are now hiring workers from India, such as teachers. In short, Germany needs workers, India has many young job seekers, and both sides benefit from working together. Thank you for watching.